Hi, I'm Chris Geary, the CEO of BSD Education, and I'm going to answer some questions today about EdTech. Now, the features of teaching that are the most valuable, such as the emotional connection with students, the understanding of the passions of students and the motivations, the observations of students in the in-person environments. All of those characteristics are innately human. Teachers will require support through professional learning to be able to analyze and interpret the data and the outputs of machine learning, because machine learning will become a more valuable tool for teachers as the technology products that surface and analyze data improve themselves. We're not there yet. We've got a little way to go. But yeah, machine learning will not replace teachers. It will help teachers, but professional learning will need to be provided for this to be best in mind.